Hey planner babes, it's Mandy from Create with Mandy, and I'm going to be flipping through these new Disney Princess planners today. So if you didn't catch it, I unboxed the whole squad box in a different video. I'll go ahead and link that below or whatever if you want to see the rest of what I got. But right now I'm just doing a flip through of these planners. I'm also going to flip through for the stickers and accessories. So go ahead and check those out if you're interested. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and do this dashboard classic planner first. So obviously this is the Disney Princess collection, and on the squad we got to pick which planners we wanted because there are four varieties. So this one is the dashboard layout and has these three princesses on the front. The other three planners have different princesses on the front. So we basically got to choose our princesses and the layout because this one's a dashboard and the other three are, one of them is a color block and two of them are verticals. So I chose the dashboard mainly because I wanted Ariel because, yeah, anyway, so as a child, Ariel is the princess I like the most because I have red hair, and I feel like that was just me identifying with another redhead person. Anyway, so my favorite's Ariel, so I had to pick her. This planner is really pretty. It's like a really dark teal. It's got those dark teal discs, like very pretty. I don't know if I've seen that color before. And then the back is that same dark teal. Cute. Look, it says, "No one is too old for fairy tales." That's really cute. Okay, let me put that back. All right, let me move this so we can have some more room and flip it open, take this guy off. Okay, scissors it is. Okay, so the inside, oh, I really like this. It's a light teal compared to the dark. You can see the dark one here, and this is a really light teal with those stars. I love those little stars. Okay, and then the hello page, hello beautiful, super cute. Love the colors and the font and stuff. Then we get into the yearly pages, and these are the three princesses on the front, and that's gonna be who's featured in this planner. You have the yearly pages, or I forget what these are called, you guys, but it's basically a yearly calendar, so that's really cool. You can write in birthdays or whatever. And then we get into January, and here's the currently page. So I haven't had a chance to flip through this yet, actually, and I haven't looked at any other people's flip throughs because I think people have found some of these planners at Walmart. So this is launching 11/1, November 1st on walmart.com and in stores on November 16th. It's not going to be on the Happy Planner website, and that's such a bummer, but I guess this line was specifically made for Walmart, so that is why. Okay, next, so we have the January dashboard. It's really nice. You just have the nice notes, a little calendar, and important dates, and then Ariel and Eric. Cute. See the good in all things. Okay, and then, so it looks like this whole month is going to be a Little Mermaid themed, so that's really cute with the little icons on the holidays. I do really like this font, like a lot. It's really cute. And then even the stars down the middle, I really enjoy that. Like, already liking this more than I thought I would. Okay, and then we have the dashboard layout. So we have Ariel and then Flounder, yeah. And it's teal and purple, which are pretty. I think those were, no, I don't think. Those were the colors of my room as a child and into high school. Purple, and I had lime green, but it's funny because it reminds me of that. Super cute dashboard layout. So this is how it looks each week. Oh, it changes to the crab. Forgot his name. And then we get into February. Oh, oop. This planner got a double page. Nice. Okay, so we're into the February currently page in dashboard, and so it changes to Aurora. Super cute. I love this, like, it looks like scrapbook paper, like a pattern, a repeating pattern. I really like that. And then here we go. And so we've got, I guess, Aurora themed stuff, except for the Lunar New Year gets Milan. Interesting. Okay, and then we have Aurora throughout, and so this is like a really light mint green and pink. So that's cute. Then it changes the little characters in the corner. Okay, and then March is Tiana. Super cute. And then, of course, you get all the Tiana little things, except for Mermaid Day. What? That's so cute. I love that. And then Ariel's there. Okay, that's really cute how they kind of change. And then so you get Tiana up there, and then the character or the little thing down here. Frog Prince book. And so that's how that looks. And so we're back into April with Ariel. And so this is the how it's going to change each month. So each month is going to have one of the princesses. But I guess, look, National Pet Day, and you get Rapunzel. And then Earth Day, you get Pocahontas. That's so cute. I love that they, you know, put the holiday with kind of like the coordinating princess, I guess. And so now we're in the same color scheme again. And so let's go to the next one. May, back to her. Only 2 holidays. And then let's go to June. And here's that like print again that looks like scrapbook paper that I like. June. And then on National Best Friends Day, I guess you get Snow White. Cute. Okay. Here's July, back to Ariel, super cute. Here you go. Look, they have Disneyland opening day. That's interesting. I guess Disney really wanted them to put that in this planner. Then International Day of Friendship, cute. Okay, now we're in August, nice and simple. No holidays. And then, you know, Aurora and the characters. Okay, September. All right. There's the holidays. October. Here's my favorite print again, but with Ariel. And more holidays. Disney World opening day, 50th anniversary. Wow, seems like Disney really wanted to be in this planner a lot, other than the princesses. I think that's just funny. Okay, November. Wow, lots of holidays. Mickey Mouse's birthday and Minnie Mouse's birthday. Were they? I didn't know they had the same birthday. 30th anniversary of Beauty and the Beast, the animated version. Interesting. So funny that they wanted to put all of their holidays in here. But I guess if you're buying this planner, you're a super Disney fan, so that would make sense to you. Okay, December. Look at that gold foil. And Disney holidays, Walt Disney's birthday. There you go. Cute. So that is, and let's look at the notes page. Really nice, clean, classic notes page. So that is the Disney planner, you guys. Love it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go through the mini dashboard. And so I think this one is going to be the same inside as the classic, but let's go ahead and go through all those accessories too, and we'll do a quick flip just to make sure that it is the same. Okay. And then I have a fun, almost like a trick or a tip to tell you guys that I found out about the planner. So as soon as I'm done flipping through this, I will tell you that. Okay, so here we go, the mini planner. So obviously you get a different cover. I like that it's nice and simple. You can still have your Disney princesses without being like super in your face. You get your cute little bookmark. Love that it's Ariel, or just happens to be Ariel. But like I said, this is the same planner as the classic, but in the mini, and has a different cover. But like, I'm pretty sure, yeah, all of the insides are the same. just in mini. So 100% they are the same. Same holidays and stuff. International Women's Day. I don't know if I saw that. Maybe I just glazed over because Mermaid Day. Yeah, cool. Love International Women's Day. All right, so same exact planner. But I will go ahead and just continue showing you the dividers again. Everything is cuter in a mini, of course. Yeah, so like I said, all the same. Cute. Okay, now the accessories, the fun part. So I guess the first thing is, look at this envelope. Oh my gosh, it's so cute because I haven't seen one in a mini size before. I've only seen them for the classic, or you know, one that isn't specifically meant for the mini. So that's really cute. I like it. I use these for my receipts. I just recently used these to put in my photos for my memory keeping. Like before I put them in the book, I just kind of store them in one of these. So really cute. And then you get, if I can get it off. Oh, I can't. Okay. Oh, Lord. Anyway, you get some sticky notes that are really stuck on this plastic. You get one of each princess or characters from each one. Okay, and then let's get these stickers out of here. So, oh, I love that these are made for the mini dashboard. Oh, I didn't even realize that. I love that because we haven't seen that size before. I'm thinking like Homebody, like the original Homebody might have had those, but maybe for the classic, not for the mini dashboard. So cute. I just love Ariel too, so. Oh, perfect. Okay, so you get one for each princess. Lovely. Lovely. Okay, I'll show you Tiana up close. So cute. Just loving this print with all of the princesses. So cute. Love it. And these are all paper stickers. Perfect. Okay, so now like the kind of secret slash tip, trick, whatever about the planners. So this is what I heard. I don't have like firsthand experience. I didn't get all the planners. But so they all have these same dashboards, right? So like I said, this one's my favorite, like these prints. And so this tip trick I heard was that if you buy all 4 of the planners, because I said there's 4, right? What you can do is you can eventually switch out all the dividers so that you would get all of this print in all the different months. So let's say, where's the next one? So you get one in February and June. Let's say the one of the vertical planners, this is the dashboard, would have like January and July as these prints, but for the other princesses, like Rapunzel, Snow White, you know, the other princesses. And then you could make your own planner that has all the matching dividers. It's kind of confusing, but basically you'd have to buy all the planners so you can get all of the princesses, and then you'd basically take out the divider, the monthly divider, and put it all in one so that they match. So the other thing that you can match is the ones with the big princesses on them. So this in March has this one. Let's see. Here's the one for Ariel. And then here's the one for Aurora. So if you liked this print the best, of like the princess like enlarged like on the whole divider, then you could get all the princesses in all of the coordinating months. It looks like this one is like a quote. Let's look for the other quote. So here's the quote. Yeah, or whatever. Anyway, basically I just thought that was so cool because of the way that they're laid out in each planner. You could get all of this print with all the different princesses. I hope that makes sense. I thought that was really cool idea that you could like interchange them. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions. I don't know if I could be able to describe it any better than that because it's kind of a weird idea. But let me know what you think down below, and let me know if you're gonna get any of these because I'm curious. So thanks so much for watching. Check out my flip throughs of the sticker books, and if you just want to see everything that I got in the Disney box on the unboxing. So thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.